Okay guys, we've had lots of questions about our LEDs and how we use them and how we colour them. So this is a typical set of 1 metre long, 30 LEDs per metre, battery operated by 3 AA batteries. As you can see, they are sticky on the back. These ones have a sticky self-adhesive strip on them. They're also cuttable, so anywhere you see the little strip like here, you can actually cut them like so. Best not to do that while they're turned on, but you can, so you can shorten them if you want to. From the point of view of colouring them, what I'll do is I'll just stick this onto the mat so as you can see how we change the colours. So just stick this on here like so. Now, so I'll just dim the lights so as we can see. Oh, just to show you, these are typically the colours we use. These are Chameleon markers. This is the blue. So BV4, the red RD4, the green GR3, the yellow YO3, and the purple PR4. And then this here is a colourless blender, but it also helps, you can decolour your LEDs with this. I'll show you how to do that too. So just dim the lights first. I'm going to start off with purple. So you can see here we have white LEDs and we just start colouring. So literally put a dab of colour on them and you can see there straight away, you see a change of colour from white to purple. So you can pull in whatever colour you really want. It works quite well. Then I told you about this, which is the blender. So you can actually use the blender to remove the colour if you get it wrong. So like that. Here you can see I'm turning them back into white LEDs and so on. Quite easy to do. We've had this blender for years at this stage, all these markers for years. You can use other type of markers as well. We find the Chameleon are the best. So again, just to show you a few different colours. So this case, so that's our purple. So we can go with a bit of yellow, which just basically tints it into a yellowy colour. You can go with a bit of green. So you can see we're starting to get a few different colours there, which start to blend up as such. What I'll do is actually I'm going to turn them sideways so you can see that better. I think I'll get a better representation of the colour that way, yeah. So you can see the colours now coming into it. So again, we can just use the blender to decolour them. And again, we can use our markers. So in this case, I'm going to pull out the red one and start colouring up in red. So you can see the effect you get. There you go. So that's how we use our LEDs and our Chameleon markers to colour LEDs. Okay, thanks for watching.